This is the M17 Airsoft pistol. Pro Force line from our SIG Air division is one of our high-end training platforms, and this gun does not let you down. So what we have done is developed, alongside the civilian M17 firearm version, a counterpart Airsoft version as well. The great features about this Pro Force M17 is it's a training gun. It is allowing you to take what you cannot accomplish on the range or a rainy day and bring it into your backyard, or allow you to train what you carry on your everyday. So let's run through some of the features. This is a full blowback system. It has lockback on your last round, regular drop magazine, just like your firearm pistol would have. You can do all of those practice drills that you would typically handle in your firearm. It's a great little gun. It also has your fixed front and rear white dot sights. Like I said, drop magazine. It also has a mount plate, which the M17 firearm has as well. That allows for optic ready sights, whether that's a red dot or something else on the market that you can apply to this air gun. It is available to do with this Airsoft, and you can, again, practice what you preach. If you carry a red dot and you would like to carry that into your practice gun, you can do that here. The final really cool feature of the Pro Force M17 Airsoft is that it is offered in CO2 version, so you can buy the complete model with the CO2 mag, or you can buy an M17 with a green gas version magazine. The cool feature is that if you buy an M17 with a CO2 magazine, and down the road, or if you're doing airsoft competition and they require certain feet per second, or you just feel like changing it up, you can buy the green gas magazine as an accessory, and it will fit inside the same platform that your CO2 model does. So you can interchange the magazines from green gas to CO2 on the same platform.
The Glock 18C has become legendary as a fully automatic pistol that everyone wants. The selector switch allows the user to choose between semi-automatic and full automatic firing modes. The 18C model has a modified slide and barrel with compensation slots that reduce muzzle flip and allow the shooter more control over the pistol, at least for the firearm. This is the officially licensed gas blowback airsoft version. It fires 6mm airsoft BBs at such a rapid rate that you will appreciate the standard extended magazine. We can all dream of owning and shooting the real deal fully automatic machine pistol. But in the meantime, go ahead and get your very own Glock 18C full auto airsoft pistol from your favorite sporting goods retailer today.
229 air pistol. Now our ProForce line is one of our most practical and tactical lines. It is our new training platform, if you will, from Sig Sauer. And what I mean by that, by definition, is that this airsoft mimics one-to-one the firearm counterpart. So it allows for the same weight, balance, and feel as what the 229 firearm has. In particular, this P229 airsoft pistol was picked up by the U.S. Coast Guard, and that really does allow them for optimal training, proving its superiority. Let's go into some of the features about it. It is a blowback CO2 airsoft. It does lock back on the last shot, just like your firearm would. As you see here, the hammer is cocked. It does have a decocker, just like your firearm would. So you can practice what you preach and make sure that you're really honing in on your drills at home if you don't have time to make it onto the range. These are really great practice and training mechanisms for that purpose. So up next, if you come to the front here, we do have a Picatinny rail, just like your firearm, so you can apply any accessory that you feel fit, flashlight, laser, whatever you have fun with. If you move down to the magazine, it is a drop mag, which is great for practicing drills as well. That is a 23-round magazine, so it does very much simulate your firearm mechanism as well. The final feature of this product would be the trigger. It does have a double action, single action trigger, just like your firearm counterpart would, so you can practice on my